I'm David Hawkins, and I'm a union field representative. Family traditions came from my father and mother. They were members of Numerica Credit Union and was handed down. What I do know best is the union. Everything that you do is for your membership. And I feel Numerica is the same way. Numerica is not there to make a profit. The membership profits. They have the opportunity to sit on the board, sit in meetings, and make plans. With Numerica, we have a checking account there, savings account. I also have a vacation savings account, and we have a credit card there. When you walk into a family atmosphere, whether it's a laborers union or Numerica Credit Union, you're treated the same. It doesn't matter if you have $1 million or $5. And that's probably one of the biggest reasons that I would never go anywhere else. At the end of the day, family is the most important thing. You trust each other. You care about one another. That's the union way. That's the Numerica way.